What is a full-stack developer? Required skills and responsibilities. A full-stack developer is a software engineer who is proficient in both front-end and back-end development. They are able to work on the entire application, from the UI to the data layer. A full-stack developer is not only a web developer but also a back-end developer. They might be proficient in languages like Python, Java or C#. They might also have knowledge of databases like MySQL or MongoDB. Full-stack developers are versatile individuals who can take on many different roles in the workplace. They have the expertise to produce complex code and have a good understanding of how it interacts with other systems. Full-stack developers are typically responsible for tasks like 1. Designing and implementing user interfaces that are responsive across multiple devices. 2. Writing code that connects together different layers of an application, e.g., business logic, database. 3. Debugging code and resolving bugs. 4. Developing new features for a product. 5. Building prototypes. 6. Designing and implementing data pipelines. 7. Creating tests for their code before it is deployed to production. Skills of a full-stack developer. Now that you know what a full-stack developer does, let's look at the skills required to become one. Front-end languages and frameworks. HTML and CSS. HTML, short of hypertext markup language, governs the appearance of text, images on the screen. It formats the text as headings, paragraphs, pop-ups and so on. It typically consists of tags that give a different meaning to the text in a document structure. CSS, cascading style sheets, is a style sheet that allows to alter and style different web components for font, size, spacing, etc. It makes the content on the web page more decorative. JavaScript. It is a powerful client-side programming language mainly used for enhancing user interaction with the application. It offers several libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, and jQuery. A full-stack developer needs to be proficient in one or more of these tools. Backend technologies and frameworks, JavaScript and its environments like Node.js and Express.js. Node is an open-source, cross-platform runtime environment that allows developers to create server-side tools and JavaScript applications. Knowledge of the basic command line like npm, Node Package Manager, is essential. Java, in particular, was built from the ground up to be run on the server side. Popular Java frameworks include Spring and Java Server Faces. Python is the most popularly used language. It is flexible and easy to use. We use Python frameworks like Django and Flask for backend development. Django is a high-level Python web framework that enables rapid development of websites. It is free and open source, has a huge and active community of users. C# language is for many the most preferred architecture when it comes to backend programming in Windows environments. Soft skills. A full-stack developer needs to possess some basic soft skills as well. Creativity. The developer must understand the project's objectives and create a product that engages the target audience. Strategic planning. Planning is a critical phase in any development lifecycle. The developer should possess the aptitude to plan the design, development, and implementation phases strategically. This helps streamline the process. Analytical skills. As the name suggests, these skills help analyze information accurately and make logical, data-driven decisions that help in maximizing efficiency. Now, these are skills that one develops when they're exposed to it. But a good sense of understanding is required. Problem-solving skills are again crucial to predict any errors and develop a bug-free application. From a business perspective, problem-solving skills play a significant role in ensuring the smooth conduction of tasks. Time management skills. the developer must meet the deadlines while ensuring proper execution of his tasks. Now that you are familiar with the skills, let's look at the key responsibilities. How to become a full-stack developer. There are a few things you need to know if you want to become a full-stack developer. First, you need to have a solid understanding of the different types of technologies that are used to create web applications. These include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, and PHP. Second, you need to be able to use these technologies to create a functioning web application. And third, you need to be able to deploy and maintain your web applications. If you have these three things down, then you're well on your way to becoming a full-stack developer. Let's take a closer look at each of these components so you can start building your skills. Personality traits of a full-stack developer. When it comes to being a full-stack developer, there are certain personality traits that can help you succeed. Here are some of the most important ones. 1. You're a problem solver. You enjoy finding solutions to problems, both big and small. You're always looking for ways to improve things and make them work better. 2. You're a good communicator. You know how to communicate clearly and effectively, both in writing and in person. You're able to explain complex technical concepts to non-technical people. 3. You're resourceful. You're good at finding the resources you need, whether it's information, people, or tools. You're not afraid to ask for help when you need it. 4. You're organized. You're able to keep track of multiple projects and deadlines. You have a system for organizing your work so that you can always find what you need when you need it. 5. You're flexible. You're willing to change your plans when necessary. You know that sometimes the best solution is the one that wasn't originally planned. 6. You're a lifelong learner. You're always learning new things, whether it's a new programming language or a new way to solve a problem. You're not afraid of change, and you're always looking for ways to improve your skills. 7. You're a team player. You know that there's strength in numbers. You're able to work well with others, and you're always looking for ways to help the team succeed. 8. You're positive. You have a positive attitude, even when things are tough. You believe that anything is possible with enough hard work and determination. These are just some of the personality traits that can help you succeed as a full-stack developer. If you have these qualities, then you're well on your way to becoming a successful developer. Salary of a full-stack developer. According to PayScale, the average salary of a full-stack developer in the US is around $75,000 US. In India, the average salary of a full-stack developer is around 6 lakh Indian rupees.